प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम एक जेनेटिक डिजीज नई थैलेसीमिया लेंगे जो अब मॉडर्न जनरेशन में बड़ी कॉमन डिजीज है। थैलेसीमिया एक ब्लड से रिलेटेड डिजीज है। आप में से बहुत से बच्चों ने इसका नाम भी सुना होगा, लेकिन इसके बारे में आपको पूरी जानकारी नहीं होगी। आज हम इसी का जिक्र करेंगे। व्हाट इज थैलेसीमिया एंड व्हाट इज द कॉज ऑफ दिस थैलेसीमिया। इट इज एक्चुअली ए डिसऑर्डर ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन। हीमोग्लोबिन डिसऑर्डर है। हम सभी जानते हैं, आपने पहले पढ़ा है ब्लड की स्ट्रक्चर, दैट द प्रोटीन हीमोग्लोबिन हैज 6 पॉलीपेप्टाइड। It has 4 alpha and 2 beta. These alpha chain are formed by the gene present on 16th chromosome. There are 2 genes each on 16th chromosome which produce, this is a 16th chromosome, one here and other here. This is the first and second, and its allele another 2 are here. One is from father, so it is paternal, and it is maternal. These 4 genes will make this alpha chain by the process of central dogma. Central dogma is a process in which every gene gives its function, its respiratory state, its respective chain. So here the gene first form mRNA, and this mRNA then form protein. So this is the central dogma, and that protein, the gene will make this alpha chain or alpha globin protein that is made by these 4 genes which are present on 16th pair of chromosome. Similarly, 2 beta chain are made by 11th chromosome, and here is also the case same. At the 11th there are also at the same locus but on different chromosome. It will form beta chain, one this and one this. When these both are normal, if our both genes are normal, the chain will also be normal and the person will be normal. But in many cases, due to gene mutation, due to any defect in the gene or due to any change in the gene, these globin proteins are not made in sufficient amount or in same original pattern. When there is change in these globin protein, due to gene mutation, it is called thalassemia. Another thalassemia is of two main types. First is alpha thalassemia and second is beta thalassemia. As you have seen, if there is defect in the 16th chromosome function, there may be alpha thalassemia, and if there is 11th chromosome function, there is beta thalassemia. In alpha thalassemia, the alpha protein either do not forms in sufficient amount, or forms defective, that is not good. So it is the first alpha thalassemia. In alpha thalassemia, the alpha chain of the hemoglobin is defective. It may be of 4 types. Alpha thalassemia is of 4 types. One gene is defective. Two genes are defective. 3 genes are defective. And all 4 genes are defective. It means if there is only one faulty gene, it is a very small condition. Only one chain of the alpha globin is defective. So this condition is known as alpha thalassemia minima. It is alpha thalassemia minima. You are saying here is only one of the gene defective. It is known as alpha thalassemia minima. If 2 genes are defective, it is known as alpha thalassemia minor. If there are 3 faulty genes defective, it is known as hemoglobin H disease. And if all 4 are defective, it is known as hydrocephalus fatalis. Now you are watching that the severity or the defect is in a gradual fashion. One gene, so one chain will be defective. In 2 genes are defective, then the 2 chain will be defective. And 3 genes are defective, then the 3 chain will be defective. And actually the effect or the symptoms of these are also variable. If we see the symptoms of all these, the symptoms of these different symptoms of one gene defect, thalassemia minima. Alpha thalassemia is actually minima. It is very minor type of thalassemia and it have no such serious effect. This minor defect may be only weakness and a little problem. There is no any special case or there is no any special seriousness. When 240 gene, that is thalassemia minor, so in the thalassemia minor, alpha thalassemia minor, there is a light pale color, and such person need a blood transfusion. And they are suffering with anemia. When there is hemoglobin H, it is some serious condition in the hemoglobin H disease. There are 3 gene defective, and so in this case it may be weak bones, severe anemia, there may be change in the color, and there may be spleen large, weakness, improper development, and malnutrition. If there is all 4 defective, then this is a case of hydropegus fetalis. This is the most serious type of thalassemia. Generally, in this condition, the child die at 6 months or later age. The hemoglobin of young is different than the adult, so the young or the newborn kid do not have a special effect, but in this case, the death often occur in the young stage if not tested, and if we test, then there will be bone marrow transplant or continuous blood transfusion. There is no treatment of such disease, so it is a alpha thalassemia. Then we will take beta thalassemia. In beta, if one gene is defective, then this is known as beta thalassemia major. Beta thalassemia major, and another is beta thalassemia intermedia. In this case, if there is only defect in the one chain, this is the defect in 2 chain, this is defect in 1 chain. When there is defect in 1 chain, this defect is minor, but here also symptoms of anemia occur. Pale color, less growth, weakness, bone shorter, In this case, the defect is severe, and such person also need bone marrow transplant. They need bone marrow transplant. Besides these, there are some another types of thalassemia also, that is delta thalassemia. Delta thalassemia is a minor type of thalassemia in which a delta chain may be defective. Some delta chain are also present in the hemoglobin, and these defective delta chain can cause delta thalassemia. Delta thalassemia is due to mutation, and this is very less, not too common. Some another intermediate thalassemia may occur, but this thalassemia is only genetic. It is only genetic. And sometimes carrier parents can produce a defective or thalassemic person. There is no treatment of this disease, no treatment. If a person is suffering from thalassemia, he will have to get blood transfusion. Or bone marrow transplant. This is the only solution, and which is also not a permanent solution. So, the thalassemia is a very serious disease. In this, there is continuously headache, weakness, anemia, dizziness, growthless, weak bone. There are many defective aspects of this thalassemia, and the thalassemia could not be treated. It is only by chance, and only way to check is the genetic checkup. If we check genetically, we can easily know whether our parents are carrier or not, and such carrier parent can give rise to a thalassemic child. Thank you. Okay.